I'm so scared.
Both sides like that, and you're going to tell me if it feels the same or it feels different on one side. Okay, so you're going to sit with your arms rested on your lap like that. Okay, you're going to close your eyes for me. Okay. Does that feel the same?
Mm-hmm.
Does that feel the same?
Mm-hmm.
Feel the same? Feel the same? 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 Same. Okay, then the same thing on your legs.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so you're going to close your eyes for me.
Mm-hmm.
Does that feel the same?
Mm-hmm.
Same?
Mm-hmm.
Same? Same? Same. Nice reflexes there. Good. Okay, then you're just going to sit back and you set your feet are hanging out a little bit.
Okay.
Just relax.
Okay.
Just relax it. In a position and you're going to push against my hand.
Okay.
So you're going to first get your head forward like that and push. You don't have to hurt yourself, just hold it there. Okay, you don't have to push hard.
Okay.
Push. Okay, then this side. Okay, then you're going to keep your shoulders up like this. Okay, then you're going to do that. If I do that, anything?
No.
Okay, if you turn your head that way. Anything?
No.
This side. Anything? Okay, then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move your head. You're going to tell me if you feel pain. If you do, if the pain's under my finger or if it's running down your arm. Okay, so I'm just going to move your head. Any pain if I do that?
You know, like, I think it's just the tension here.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
are you feeling pain on that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Pain? Pain?
Yeah, just tension there on that. Yeah.
All pain here? Okay, this side, same thing. Pain? No.
It's just here, like, you know, that tension.
Yeah. So there's no pain under my finger. Was there pain under my finger on this side now? Let me know if you feel pain. Is there pain there?
No.
Okay, this side.
No, it's just like,
Stretch.
yeah, it's a stretch.
Okay. So the pain's up in here.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
And on the side of your knee?
It's not,
I'll
yeah.
give about 10 minutes.
Oh, alright. Thank you. Sure. Thank you. Hey guys. So I'm just waiting for her to finish up. She went to give like the physiotherapist or whatever physio like the screening paper and everything, and then after that we'll just see what will happen. So I'm just waiting.
Carry on for 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I need you to just take your shirt off. You can. Sorry, maybe this one's up there. Sorry. Okay, you okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so you can't get up now, eh?
Okay, yeah. I'm so scared.
This is too hot, okay?
No.
Was it hot?
No.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, are you ready? I'm going to start it and then you're going to let me know when you can feel it and then you want me to stop, okay?
When I can feel the what?
You'll feel it's just like a buzzing kind of feeling. Okay. Should be able to start feeling something soon. Okay, and then I'm going to go up a bit until you want me to stop, okay? Okay, I just need to take this machine back with you
Okay.
and then I'm all yours.
Oh,
for the rest of
alright.
the session. I'm just going to leave this heat pack here for now.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's so
And
nice.
then I'm just going to massage a little bit. You don't mind the oil hang.
Yeah, I don't mind.
After what you're gonna do, I want you to just tuck this on. You don't have to do the one,
Okay.
just your left one. Okay, just tell me if I'm pressing so hard. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to adjust you.
Okay.
Okay, so you haven't been adjusted before.
No.
Okay, so you will hear clicking sometimes. Okay, so don't get it far if you do it. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take a nice deep breath in for me. And all the way out. Woo! Okay, cool. Then, if you want, you can put your shirt on. You're going to give yourself a nice hug like this. Just like yourself. Okay, I just want to check these ribs, yeah, okay, because that might also be causing more pain. Okay, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Okay, cool. And you can raise your arms to me. Okay, so now I'm going to do an egg. Okay. You have to relax it, okay. Okay, don't get it fried. Can you hear the clicking? Are you nervous? Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Just relax, okay? Ooh. You okay?
Yeah.
You don't feel lightheaded or anything?
I feel lighted now.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. You okay? You're not gonna pass out or anything?
No, no. Yeah. Okay, now I'm better.
We sure?
Yeah. Ooh.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you just lie there for a
Okay.
You okay? You
Yeah.
good?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
good.
well we're done. So when you're ready, you can sit
Yeah,
up.
I'm ready now.
Okay.
So what should I?
You can, we're done.
Oh, okay. Oh, alright.
Okay. Are you okay? You should feel it stretching in that area.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, if you want, you can bend your arm and just bring it just to stretch it.
Oh, okay.
So just raise your arm this here.
That's, oh,
And
okay.
then just pull.
Oh,
Can you
okay.
feel it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then even if you, okay, don't get your knees to sit on you, but even
Yeah.
if you get it like a tennis ball, and just on that area, you can just roll, or like a hard ball, and just roll on the wall with that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, alright. Thank you so much.
Sure. Hopefully I see you soon.